to speak English or Bahasa or I want. I know only one thing already. Ni hao ma. Okay. But first, actually, Kak Echa introduced by Sifu Fazli. Sifu Fazli is a friend of my best friend. Then he introduced to my best friend. Then my best friend don't want. He come to me. So he already explained because I have doing another apps before, another company. Okay, then when he told me all the marketing plan, whatever, I can see the big picture. Not big picture how I can see Lingku can go further. One thing I like because I don't say I don't have much money. Okay, I got just only commitment for my life. I have do another business whereby I want to earn that bonus. I need to pay the maintenance fee. That means every month, because my team also been in the other company, but I want to take the bonus. I need to put that one like you say lah, SVBB. Okay, then I feel like every month 400 I need to put there 400. I said suddenly when Fazli said no, this one no need Kak. You just pay 199 for the whole life. You don't need to take anything. You don't need to pay anything. You don't need to sell anything because everything all live in TikTok, Shopee and Lazada. When that time, I told you, I only have my money for my commitment. My husband give me 200 for bill electric. I said bill electric can delay. I need to make decision whether I join Lingku or not.
Now can give husband 200 again.
Okay. So from that night, Fazli said the whole until morning. That means I'm thinking lah. I said where to get? Is it I use this money? Is it I can get back? This Lingku correct or not? I still because Lingku is new, right? Then I said never mind. If I didn't do the decision, whether I tak dapat apa ataupun I dapat, I make it gaming. So I told Sifu, I use Sifu link, I directly join. I said Sifu, okay, I join already. I don't know where to get back to 100 because I want to pay bill electric. I said if I cannot these 4 days, I cannot get back 200 to pay the bill electric, then I try to another option lah to pay back my husband money because nanti dia tanya kenapa tak ada cara ke semua. So I make that decision. Then I proud today because half of in this room is my under me.
Wow.
Okay. So I think most of you all meet by me, right? I go and tell the marketing plan. You whatever you do, you must one thing that I learned from Kim also. You must know your marketing plan. You must know your little bit background of the Xpembo. Then only you tell to people. People will trust you. This I start little bit like one day. So Alhamdulillah at the moment, Puan Salmia just now also under me is 1 rice already. So I need to find another 2 rice and another I think 300 now to go to Sinai. Inshallah, pray. If you work hard, I will help you. You will help me. Okay. So we do it together. About the brand, I told like you all, you have brand. I have bring actually 4 brands in Lingku, but 2 only approved because of they are within their TikTok and Shopee, right? So why I say you don't worry if you want to introduce to your user, because you know what? When we in the Lingku, now Lingku starting in Malaysia. you can bring a lot of merchant, because when we start to go to ASEAN country, this your brand will bring together. You no need to do marketing in other country when you already Lingku have everything. You know what I mean. So I try to find, because now Anthony said they will bring a food product in Lingku. So you can imagine how your user, your customer. In Lingku, not only you can get the spa, okay, you can get the 50 ringgit when you join the spa. You can see every product in TikTok, you get cashback. If you don't have money, if you, like me, you want to grow, you can sell. Like me, I sell. You know what I said? I sell the Fiorish Huda, the merchant involved in the Lingku, that one.
Yeah.